Hi, I'm Melissa, and we're here today with Dave. Dave, say hi.
How are you?
Dave is actually with Clip Mobile, a local Toronto startup mobile app. So why don't you tell us a little bit about Clip Mobile?
Sure. Thanks for having me. Clip is Canada's location-based mobile coupon network. We have free apps for consumers on iPhone and Android, and we're just rolling out our BlackBerry app, which is very exciting. And what Clip does, it allows you to search, save, and redeem location-based coupons directly from your smartphone. And we also are a network for merchants and retailers to upload, create, manage, and analyze their location-based coupon campaigns directly from any computer with internet access. So you can upload and create and manage a campaign for one or many locations across Canada.
Awesome. So you mentioned you're on various platforms. What are some of the biggest difficulties, and what is your favorite platform to develop apps for?
That is a good question. Certainly, BlackBerry is not our favorite platform or anybody's favorite platform.
Why is that?
Device fragmentation is a huge problem. It's been a major theme throughout Mobile Innovation Week. The various OSs. The fact is, BlackBerry was never meant to do anything but black text on a white screen. So the whole notion of having a rich user experience or a rich user interface is just massively problematic. You have to hand code and hand draw and port across all the different BlackBerry devices and OSs, and so we actually got around some of those challenges. We built a bit of a hybrid. We cheated a little bit. We built a native Java-based BlackBerry app. So you download it on your phone, and it's Java, it loads very quickly, but the actual content, the offers, are served through as mobile HTML, so through the mobile web. And we think this saved us a huge amount of time, and we also think that this is probably going to be the next iteration in terms of HTML5 and the mobile web being a major improvement, so that you won't be able to tell the difference between native code and web-based code.
Nice. So which one's your favorite to develop on?
Well, I am an iPhone user.
Okay.
And I love my iPhone, and I don't write code.
iPhones unite.
That is so nerdy, but that's okay. So, and 3GSs unite. So, I don't write code. I do have an interest in user experience and design, but in terms of actually getting down in the trenches, it's not my area of expertise. Though the tools that iPhone and Apple provides, I understand it, do make it easy, maybe even too easy, which is why there's now 250 some odd thousand apps in the app world, and we're seeing a very commoditized market, which is what some of the things that I talked about in my talk, and that perhaps not every brand needs to have an app, but certainly every brand needs to have a mobile experience. And one of the main components of our strategy at Clip is that if you can aggregate branded experiences around a wider variety of content, you stand that much better of a chance of having that user come back to that content, come back to your brand, and you can build loyalty through that experience versus a one-off app that may or may not have the content or the experience that keeps somebody coming back over and over again.
Awesome. So your talk today that you just mentioned happened to be about how to create successful mobile startups. So what is your biggest tip for success in the startup?
It would be, I think Ken said it well, and that is to treat every idea as a startup, but not to be married to one idea, and that things should pivot and adjust and be constantly iterated. The space is moving very, very quickly, and that is both a challenge and an opportunity. So don't be too wedded to one concept, because very rarely does where the rubber meets the road from concept to design to execution. It just doesn't survive. You have to be able to adapt the product to what the users are asking for. And probably that would be, my second caveat to that is to build something for users. And find something that users love. Foursquare did this. They found something that appeals to human nature. It's habit forming. We are creatures of habit, and they've done very, very well. Yep.
So be quick to evolve, essentially, in such a quickly growing market.
Be quick on your feet. Find something that you can do it well, and grow it from there. Iterate from there.
Thank you so much for helping us out.
Thank you.
Dave, how can someone reach you?
I'm on Twitter at Dave Offierski. Also, Clip Mobile is at Clip Mobile, and our website is getclip.ca, and you can download the iPhone, Android, or BlackBerry app directly from our website.
Awesome. Thanks so much.
Thank you.